Here we have the Scoots, the log flume, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Opened with the park in 1975. I guess that'd be May of 75. So it's original. It is a log flume ride. We're here summer 2025. Give me a POV of this classic ride that you see a tape. Will get wet?
Oh, should I be getting my face dirty wet?
Yeah, it's fine. Be okay. We're looking for relaxing rides here. Like a lot of these rides, there's no seatbelt or harnesses back in the 70s. Whee!
Got a little wet.
Wet? Huh?
Hold on to your hat. Drop it in. Stay in your seats and steady yourself.
That was good. Open, guys. Check out all my other videos. I got the POV of all the. Check out my playlist. All Busch Gardens Williamsburg, Busch Gardens Tampa videos, POV with walking directions. Glad you're here. Like and subscribe.